All right, we're just going to show the machine under power. So I'm going to come over here and turn on the breaker. Wherever power. All right, power's on. There we go. So right now I'm going to skip those steps. And we're going to just make sure we got this. There we go. Alright, so we're going to show a first operation, which is going to home. Let's see. Home. So we're going to home first. Alright, so we're all homed. Cool. Alright, so Z-axis. Z-axis. There's your X. There's your Y. Goes back quite a bit. Here's your, so right now we're on slow. I can go fast, so we'll do high. See, it goes a lot faster. And Y and X. Note to the gentleman who's thinking about purchasing this, when you're running the machine, always make sure that before you're actually doing anything, precise, you're going to want to change your movement speed back to slow. Personal experience, because this machine is very powerful. It will break bits by moving through things if you're not watching. So it does not care if there's a bit there or not. Alright, so that's for movement. Now we're going to spin up the spindle. I'm going to set this down for a second so I can set the spindle speed to slower to start with. Okay, so that's speed number 1. Alright, that's the first gear. I'm just going to step it up by gears. And that is the top gear right there. Turn the spindle off. Alright, so as you can see right now, movement is on stepping, and you actually have the option of having it move by stepping, because this is run by steppers. So I'm actually moving it in the Y right now. But as you can see, it's going by a 200th of an inch each time. You can use this to precisely position your tooling if you're going to set your zero manually. Okay. Let's turn it back to jog. So back on jog. We're on slow. There we go. Okay. Next step is to show the vacuum. So let's go turn on the vacuum. Well, sorry, not vacuum, dust collector. Alright, as you can see, I actually have a blast gate right here specifically for the machine, because I actually have a separate setup on this Y here. This one actually goes to a dust collection section out front of the machine. But we'll just turn the dust collector on. Okay, see if you can hear it over here. Probably can't. As you can see, I have another blast gate up here by the front of the machine. Here's your line. As you can see, the the dust collector is quite powerful. If we look on the back side over here, you see that there's a manual filter paddle cleaner, and that's actually this handle right here. So if you turn that, it actually clears all the dust out of the filter down into that bag right there. Alright. Yeah, that's the machine. So, as you can see, everything's working really good. The reason why you can't see the vacuum table is because I have 2 layers of 1/2 inch MDF for spoil board, and also things to screw to, because we don't want to screw to the actual vacuum table. Underneath there may be a few spots of the vacuum table that's a little bit marred. And it's not going to actually affect the vacuum effect. All you got to do is probably just surface mill with the machine itself to give you a nice flat surface. And this can come off pretty easy. It actually has it's like a little adhesive spots, basically. It's not glue. It's actually like little tape adhesive dots. I think they call them glue dots. But anyway, so that is the machine. Thank you.